The rainy symphony of life. Soft rain starts falling, gentle droplets hitting leaves, rooftops, and streets. The sound of distant thunder rumbles in the background. A simple act of nature, yet it touches every soul in its own way. Some see it as a storm, others as a blessing. Love feels deeper in the rain, two hearts beating closer, hands held tighter. In the gentle drizzle, love finds its rhythm. For a child, rain is play. For the old, it's a memory. Each drop carries a story, a moment from the past, a dream for the future. Life doesn't stop when it rains, it simply adapts. People keep moving, keep working, keep dreaming. Rain is not an obstacle, it's a companion. To the farmer, rain is a promise, a gift from the sky, nourishing the land, bringing life where there was none. In the city, rain is music, the rhythm of footsteps, the splash of tires, the whispers of the wind. It reminds us we are alive. And to the dreamers, rain is inspiration, a melody for the heart, a story waiting to be told. When the rain fades, the world shines anew, fresh, pure, beautiful. Rain, nature's way of reminding us that life is wonderful.